everyone, here we go. Good stuff. Thank you. Now everyone, the short tutorial. Here we go. We're starting with the weight on the right. We get side, sailor, step, quarter, turn, point, side point, behind, side, forward. Let me count in this part. Facing 6 o'clock, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Facing 6 o'clock. Okay. Now you make the same with the right. 7, 8. Side, sailor, step, quarter, turn, point, point, sailor, quarter, turn. Facing 12 o'clock. Let me count in this part. 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, quarter, 4, 5, 6, 7, quarter, 8. Next section. Heel stretch forward slightly. Heel strut, point and point, cross, quarter, and Roomba box. Let me count in this part. 7, 8. 1 and 2, and then another 1 and 2, and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next section, last section. 1, 2, 3 and 4, heel 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now with the steps, 7, 8, sweep, behind sweep, sailor, step, heel and hitch and heel and together. Now should weight on the left. Let me count it one more time, this last one. Here we go, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4 again, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. From the top, that wall, here this wall, 7, 8, side, behind and side, quarter, turn, go, behind, step, forward. Same with the right, side, sailor, step, block, quarter, point, point, behind, step, forward, quarter. Next section, heel strut, point and and rumba box. Let me counting this part. 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Last section. Sweep. Behind sweep. Sailor step. Heel, toe, heel and together. One more time. Sweep, sweep, sailor step, heel, toe, lift and heel and together. Let me count in this part. 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. On the top with the counts only. 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Last section. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4,